Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you about Makita Inflator 2 model 18V and 12V Max. For 18V the model DMP180 and 12V Max MP100D. For the specification it is same. I mean the power, the air inflator 121 psi, 830 kilopascal. Yeah, this model is the same. It is same. Different battery terminal and fake bracket. This one beside, this one in front. I already loosening the screw and I want to show you the part inside. This is the motor, this is the mechanical, this is display switch, circuit board. Yeah, one hand a little bit difficult. Yeah, the motor, circuit board, battery terminal, display, switch. It is the same. I make the short video want you to see, and 18V or 12V, it's up to you. I think maybe if you have battery 18V, you can buy this one. And if you have battery 12V Max, you can buy this one. Thanks for watching. Next video I will show you how to use these two models and introduce more about the runtime. Thank you.